Very much serving unbothered in the airport. Don't suck to me.
Hey, girls. Just wait till I show you this.
Hello? Girls, we're in Cancun.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. We just pulled up. We have a week ahead, a fun week ahead. Honestly, nothing planned because it's an all-inclusive resort. All-inclusive resort! I have yet to experience one in my entire life, so I personally can't wait. Are you excited? Because I am. Let's just take a moment for this hotel because the hotel itself is art. Roll the clips. Girl, not the view. Good morning. Good morning, Mexico. Hello, everyone. Thank you, thank you. Yeah. Now let's get a little bit ready because it's getting busted airport fit. Yeah, we gotta fix that. We gotta fix this. Let's go. Yeah. Not the welcome champagne. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Get into it.
Look at it, girls. Hey, girls. I'm in dire need of some coffee, preferably an Americana. So we're about to go scope out the little coffee bar they have. Yes, you heard that correct. Coffee bar. And then come back and get ready. We found it. We found it. Yeah. Ooh. Wait, what is it? Let's see. Sweet bread indeed. Well, yes. Welcome to my new retirement home. Yes, this is where I live. I'm here until I die. Welcome. Here's the pool. Girl, she's literally an ocean. It's so big.
Remember old times, old times. How much are the bracelets you make?
And the bracelet is $20 each.
We somehow ended up at the Michael Jackson experience. Yeah. Kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, hey, hey.
Oh, there it is.
Period. No mind. Oh! We're getting tacos tonight at the Blue Agave. I need about 4 of those.
Right here.
Run it up. Run it up.
Thank you.
I want it to eat, but it's fine. 4 more. Girls, we're restaurant hopping. We had to get our dessert in. Tiramisu and a little wine. It's giving grown, it's giving adult woman. Very good. It was okay. Good morning, y'all. Right now, we're about to go get some guaci breakfast, and then head our asses down there because are you kidding? Let's go! Get into the fit. Wait, no, girl, you can't say shit. Q. Y'all, this is a marshmallow Americano. Marshmallow. Yeah. Hi friends! Literally just woke up from the world's deepest, darkest nap. Currently getting ready to go out to a little seafood dinner. Cute, fun, and fresh. I literally packed my entire makeup bag from the foundation to the setting spray, and I've yet to do a face once. It is only day 1. Technically day 2 because we got here yesterday at like 3. But like, girl, is it giving laid back vacation? It's not giving cute. Well, it's giving cute always, but it's not giving do the most. Not yet, at least. We'll still serve cute fits, we'll still serve face, but a little face with no two-faced. A little face with no house laps. Literally just summer Fridays, waterproof mascara, and vibes. Yeah. Let's get into this fit really quick because she's cute, she's simple, she's cozy, she's vacay, she's serving puka shell princess. Yes, 6 a.m. Thank you. Here it is. Yeah. Isn't it so cute? Oh my god, wait. I was gonna show you the sunset, but it's like not really setting. It's like she wants to come out and play, but she's not here yet. It's turning purple, but not Barney purple. It's lavender. Go and be great. Alright. Last night's dinner, she was okay. She was a little taco platter, something light. I was like, this ain't really vlog worthy, so I just ate that. Hopefully tonight's is vlog worthy. We'll see if it makes it or not. We'll see if you get to eat tonight, basically. But it better be good. Oh, girls, we all eating good tonight. Hello? Take a bite. This is the best espresso martini I've had in my life. From Peru, Cancun. How cute of you. Creme brulee. By the bus, we already know. Say goodbye. Y'all, look at this little jungle vibe. Let's take a tour. We walked through this yesterday and we were like, literally, what is this cute little Pirates of the Caribbean ass situation? But apparently it's a restaurant that doesn't open till tomorrow. And girl, it's sushi. Sushi! I can't wait, but it's so cute. Like, giving yo ho, we bouncing. But it's stepping through the fucking swamp. Ooh, wow, it's like in the middle of the hotel. How cute!
Has trabajado cada día de tu vida.
Girls, we're on a boat. We're on a yacht, to be specific. Drinking our tropical drinks, living our very best life. Yeah. We're headed to an island. To be a little island gal. Looking the part. Thank you. And then we're gonna do some snorkeling, see some fishies, see some turtles. How cute! Maybe get a little trinkets. 1 or 2 or 3. Good. How fun! Here's a mini boat tour. Here she is. Yeah. How pretty! Still at the island. We're in the water. We're on an island. Don't know where, couldn't tell you. and we're in Cancun. Shout out Mexico. My dogs, my twins. Very nice weather, very clear water. I love that I can see my toes. No sharks, no jellyfish. California could never. A little panoramic scenic view. The view. Hey girls, update. Showered, redid the whole face because that ocean wiped it clean off. The fit tonight, you're gonna gag. Ignore the chaos. Look at me. Serving low-waisted lace corsets, jewelry, polka shells, a true island gal. We're about to go to dinner, take some little pictures, hopefully get some sushi because they just opened the sushi bar. I can't wait. Let's go. All right, girls, we have a very surprise guest with us. Are you ready to see?
Hello!
Who is it? Say your name.
They have to find out.
Oh, they have to find out who the secret guest is.
If you can't find out, I'll tell you.
Oh.
Do you want to get them hits?
Yeah. It starts with an A and ends with a Y.
I have my own YouTube channel.
Yes, go subscribe. But they have to know your name to subscribe.
Oh, my name
What's your YouTube channel name?
is Aubrey. My channel is Aubrey's Reviews, but
Aubrey's Reviews.
don't get fooled by the other ones.
Don't get fooled by the fake accounts, because there's fake Aubreys out there.
Yeah.
She's the OG.
Yeah, I'm not
Go
the
watch her
OG.
Trolls review right
Huh?
now. Your Trolls review.
Oh, yeah.
It's so good.
Girls, we made it off the wait list. Get into it. Mid.
Look at the vibes, y'all. Like, how perfect is it here? So good.
Our little pirate ship. And dessert, a little chocolate cake featuring edamame. And a show. Girl, he getting kicked out the resort. That's what happens when you do too much. Get into the dessert, girls. We got chocolate ice cream with chocolate chips. And a little s'mores treat. I can't wait to devour. Good morning. Room service just pulled up hot and fresh. Look at this. Get into it, girls. Where's the fruit? Oh, look at the fruit. Yum. And the parfait. Cute. They partying down there. Hey girls, about to head to the poolside. Just filmed a crazy video. I'm excited for y'all to see the little TikTok. Serving Red Beach Mommy. What's up? And then after our little poolside moment, gonna snorkel again. How fun. But this time, we're gonna take a little speedboat and drive ourselves through the little ocean, park, jump out, hang with the turtles, hang with the fishes, and head on back. So, let's go do all of that. We're walking across the street. We're heading to, rude. We're heading to the little speedboat location to bop some waves, swim with our friends. We see little Miss Ariel under the water. It's an aqua world. Here we go. Here we go. Look at how pretty this hotel is from the front. Like, are you joking? Yeah. Ready, girls? That's about to be us. Oh, girls, we're flying now. We're flying now. Who gonna check us? Hi, birdies.
Hey girl.
Serving us pterodactyl core.
Shout out Sean Kingston. If you know, you know.
There's some place for safe.
To home! Yes! It's getting choppy! Oh! Oh! Oh shit! Ah! Y'all feel that? Woo! Oh! It's bumpy out here. Oh! Oh, girls. We in for a wild ride. Oh, shit! Not the wave. Oh! Pinto, slow down! Girls, we're locked in. Ready to go. We're locked in, ready to go, girls. Woo! Snorkeling round 2. Works just fine. Get into the flippers. Clear the condensation. Let's go.
Run away, you're never too far to run. Run away to your escape. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away.
That means we clapping, we slowing, we clapping. Y'all very much pooped after that boat day. Heading to dinner right now. We're either gonna do the Italian restaurant, which we haven't tried yet, or the sushi again, because y'all know me and sushi go like this. We go like this. So hopefully they're both good. We can get both. I don't know. I can't think right now. I'm starved, dehydrated, tired. But look at the fit real quick. There you have it. Let's go to dinner. It's lemon drop hour, girls. Should we clink? Tart. Calamari. Yum. Take a bite. Margarita. Pizza. Yum. Let's see how she is. Very good. Very good. We are eating it up tonight. Getting to the ragu bolognese. Or whatever they call it. Last but not least, desserts. We have a cannoli. We have an ice cream sandwich. Too good. Girls, we at the beach once again. The waves are not as choppy this time, so hopefully we can last in this water. Emphasis on hopefully. We might scram and go back to the pool. Oh, it's dinner time, girls. I'm tired. We had a few little drinks. Bedtime is how it feels, but it's dinner time. Getting to the fit. Let's go get more sushi. Espresso martini, girls. A classic. Take a sip. It's real yummy, huh? a nice refreshment after a long day. Tuna tacos. Why do these look bust now? Like fresh off the fucking water, freshly caught. For how long it took, it better have been. Let's see how it tastes though. Pretty good. But what I'm really sad for is the nigiri. I'm sad, girl. Y'all, this is the very last morning. That felt really fast, but we had a time. Time to go do our big 3 laps, our final goodbyes, our last times. Let's go. Our final check. Very much island babe, island girl. Luke shells all week. We packing up, girls. A ways to go, but it's fine. We're vibing. Girls, that authentic Mexican coat. Too good. Have you had it before? Because we need this in the Americas. We need this in California, Los Angeles, real bad. Last glance over our beautiful room. Our last stroll through the pretty spa. Y'all, it smells so good walking through this every single day. Our last trip down these stairs to get to our little coffee shop. What do you think we getting? The OG. Duh. Give me an Americano, marshmallow, almond milk.
As americano. Un espresso.
Glorious. Time pulling up to Malva, aka the buffet. How nice. Eating good this morning, girls. How could we not? Look at them nuts, them donuts. They came and pulled up for breakfast this morning. Girls, we're on a side quest to find the cat of the island. Her name is Daisy, and I need to pet her real bad. Not the lawnmower. Where are you, my queen? It might be over here. Hopefully, because girl, it's hot. Do I see her? Do I see her? Do you see her right there? Hi. Hi, Daisy. Hi. Wow. Hi. Hi. Are we hanging out? What a good queen she is. Oop, better go hunt. Hey girl, this is my queen right here. I've been looking for you all week. She was by the bar hanging out, getting herself a little drink. Now she's having herself a little lick. Our last ocean view, girls. Rest in peace. We came back for her. We locked in, Daisy. Girls, we've had a good run. Cancun did us right. Check it out, the vision board, a little tropical travel vacation for the year. Might have to do a few more, low key. Fun was had. I hope you had fun too. Had fun hanging out, had fun trying new foods, had fun going to the beach, going on the yacht, going to the pool. This hotel, 10 out of 10. What's the hotel name, do you know? Paradisas Hotel? Stay there if you go to Cancun. Vibe, chill. Everyone was so nice. Food was on 10. I don't think we had one bad meal. It was all good. Drinks, 8 down too. Daisy the cat, a cute little mascot. She was doing her thing, lounging out on the deck. We got lucky because apparently a week before us, there was an EDM party with like 4,000 guests. Oh, that's not relaxing. That's not paradise. That's not vacation mode. So you came during a good time, not too busy, very chill. Gorgeous, as you know. Like, the decor goes crazy, girls. Very clean, very fun, very fresh. Hopefully we can travel again soon, girls. See y'all at the next destination. Bye.
Voy a estar aquí, my girl, yeah. Ando detrás tuyo.